Githagathago hamwe na njikanirio cia miario gatagati ka arumiriri a mumbunge wa emakasi ya irathiro makienda mumbunge uyu akorwo arekererio babu uria uraikirio ngono muthenya wa ira ari kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA netumurite mawoni matiganite na kuringana na wakiri wake Ndegwa Njiro neririe kuri na kiriga kia niki kiratumire akorwo agitwarwo nginya Kirinyaga Ceceni-Ini ya borithi ya Wanguru na kuria ahingiritwo riu family yake nitaririe ati matigũtigithĩria nginya kihoto kia Babu Owino gikorwo gikirekererio na nginya makorwo makimenya niki gitumi giake gia kiongono.
Would we be told the reason why we
need to know why he's here?
On Tuesday night, he called me at around 11 p.m. and he told me that he has been detained at the airport. He was arriving from Mombasa. He told me that he has been detained at the airport by the DCI and has been arrested. So I asked him what has happened, what is the issue. He said absolutely no idea. Just said that I'll try call you back if I'm able to. His phone went off after that and he's been off since. So from yesterday morning, I began searching for him. I started at the DCI headquarters. They told us to go to the airport. We went to the airport, to the police station. They said they don't have him. We went to Modaiga police station, Gigiri police station, Kilimani police station, Kileleshwa police station, we checked Githurai, we checked Emakasi police station, sorry. We checked also Nairobi area and several other stations. We went back to the airport, to the DCI and the commandant as well. So consequently, in the evening, I was given information that he is in Mwea. So we came here in the evening around maybe 9 p.m. And I was speaking to them, just trying to tell them that, you know, I just want to know if my husband is here, is he safe, has he eaten? He also, there's some medicine he was supposed to take because he was unwell. So I just wanted to know his whereabouts, and I was severely manhandled, carried off. They did not want to hear anything that we wanted to say. They basically just kicked us off, and a very, very heavy police presence just outside the gate. There are maybe 20 to 30 police officers, and inside also in the compound there were very many police officers. They completely refused us access, but we were able to confirm that he is indeed here.
They stayed there. He never had breakfast. He has not taken even a shower. The police has not even provided him with food. He is starving. They want to shakahola him.
Yes. Which is not right.
Sick. The police want to shakahola Babu Owino. Yes. Why is he not being allowed to access his advocates? Why is he not being allowed to access his family?
He has a right.
He has a right, unless we have suspended to demonstrate. And we are saying to demonstrate. If you want to interpret it to amount to maandamano and therefore you tear gas us, it's up to you. So we are here to ask, where is Babu Owino? Why has he not been taken to court? Yes. Why? What is the reason, and what are the charges that he's facing? Why has the family been not been allowed to see him?